Ever pondered why a solid business credit score is essential for your venture? A robust business credit score can pave the way to funding choices such as bank loans, SBA loans, credit lines, and many more. Various business owners neglect the significance and impressive business credit score, leading them to miss out on these financing opportunities. Consider your business credit score as your business's report card. It influences your odds of obtaining favorable rates and terms. So, you might be wondering, how can you boost your business credit score? The solution is our distinguished BCB program. Enter our Business Credit Builder (BCB) program, the answer to all your business credit score concerns. This breakthrough program is your gateway to obtaining the most favorable rates and terms available in the industry. Regardless if your business is newly established or has been a pillar of your community for decades, our BCB program is designed to fortify your business profile. Envision the ability to stride into any bank, secure in the fact that your business credit score exceeds mediocrity, reaches into the realm of excellence. That's the power our BCB program can bestow upon you. It operates by enriching your business credit profile on two key platforms, Dun & Bradstreet and Experian. These platforms are universally acclaimed and leveraged by lenders to gauge the credit worthiness of businesses. When you choose our BCB program, you're not merely acquiring a service, you're obtaining a pledge that will strain every nerve to boost your Paydex and IntelliScore to unparalleled heights. These are unique dollar-weighted numerical indicators and statistically based credit risk scores that lenders use to assess the probability of a company defaulting on its payments. In essence, our BCB program is not just a program, it's a stepping stone to financial stability, a monument to the potency of your business, and a symbol of dependability to your creditors. With our BCB program, you are priming your business for success. You may question, what exactly does our BCB program do for my enterprise? Let's simplify. Our Business Credit Builder, referred to as the BCB program, is a powerful mechanism designed to bolster your business's credit standing. It nurtures your business, be it a month-old startup or an age-old establishment, to be eligible for the most advantageous rates and conditions in the marketplace by simply heightening your credit rating. Picture this, being capable of approaching a bank and obtaining a loan at the most agreeable interest rate. Or think of procuring new machinery or automobiles for your business without fretting over steep interest rates or unfavorable conditions. That's the might of a robust business credit score. However, it's not just limited to loans and acquisitions. A sturdy business credit score can also pave the way for more profitable business prospects and collaborations. It signals to prospective collaborators and investors that your enterprise is fiscally sound and reliable, augmenting your chances of landing more profitable agreements and contracts. The BCB program brings about this transformation by boosting your business credit profile on prestigious platforms like Dun & Bradstreet and Experian, elevating your Paydex and IntelliScore to a higher pedestal. This is indeed a revolution, as it positions your business to take advantage of the best financial opportunities out there. In short, our BCB program is your passport to a more robust and fiscally secure enterprise. Now you grasp the significance of a sturdy business credit score and how our BCB program can support you in reaching it. It's not merely about digits on a piece of paper, it's about unlocking gateways to financial opportunities that can truly elevate your enterprise to unrivaled heights. Picture securing local bank loans, SBA loans, business credit lines, commercial mortgages, and even equipment and vehicle acquisitions, all at the most favorable rates and conditions. This is the power of a robust credit score for your business. And it doesn't matter whether your business is a one-month-old startup or a 30-year-old corporation. Our BCB program is engineered to amplify your business credit profile on Dun & Bradstreet and Experian, catapulting your Paydex and IntelliScore to the next plane. Ponder over it. Isn't it time you propelled your business into the spotlight? Don't let your enterprise miss out on the advantages of a robust credit score. Take the necessary action and opt for our BCB program. Make the smart choice with our BCB program today. Before we conclude, we would like to extend a warm invitation to you. Become a part of our YouTube family and subscribe to our channel to keep pace with plenty of business tips, insights, and opportunities designed to help you expand your business. When you subscribe, you're not just providing us with support, but also accessing a treasure trove of knowledge that can guide through the complicated business landscape. We consistently produce videos on a variety of topics that are designed to help you stay on top of things, make informed choices, and eventually thrive in your business. Remember to tap that subscribe button and become a part of our network of thriving entrepreneurs. Let's flourish together.